Hi, this is Dr. Gail, and this is an overview of Week 2's assignment. Now, you can read this in here. I'm not going to do that, but something I do want to point out is this piece here and this piece here, which are on the rubric. These pieces are on the rubric. So you're going to choose a topic from your workplace or industry that might benefit from the integration of social media or other e-learning. Now, you need to understand in academic writing, it is imperative that the writer make it crystal clear to the reader what's taking place. So if you're not doing that, I won't know what you really mean, and so you will lose points for it. So you want to make absolutely sure that you are being clear as to how you do what you're doing. And one of the ways to do that is to use the language in the assignment directions. So if you have a section for adult learning theories, that's the effects of social media, ethical considerations, relevant training competencies, how it will help young professionals view training. If you have these key words that are also on the rubric, that will help to make the presentation clear. It'll allow you to know that you have all the requirements in the assignment, and it'll make it clear for me. So anyhow, that's what you're going to do. And you're going to design a plan that does this. And then you're going to create a web-based presentation of your plan. You may use any web-based tool you have used in the past, such as an infographic, web page, mind map, or what other web-based application. Now, if you just finished having AET 562, you know WordPress. Now, I already know that WordPress is not the most user-friendly thing, but you've tried other tools in AET 562, so you might consider that. I have added this to make it crystal clear. Google Slides and PowerPoint are not permitted. If you use these, your assignment will have an automatic 10% taken off. So I'm not sending it back to you. I'm just assessing it as 10% off. And the reason why I do that and I do not allow Google Slides or PowerPoint is because those people who do take the time to use a web-based tool are doing significantly more work than someone who is doing this, because everyone knows how to do that. This is your final class in your program, and it will be challenging. So you want to make sure that that's taking place. And then it tells you how to submit it. Now I'm going to take you to the rubric. Now there is 12 points for this. The 12 points really is added. Actually, this was an 8-point assignment, and I added 4 points because you're going to be using a web-based tool. So if you're not going to use a web-based tool, you're going to lose 10 points. And why 10 instead of 4? Because it's not following directions. And so these are basically the types of things. You clearly identify your organization. That puts things into context for me. Clearly identifies an area or topic of training, 3 adult learning theories as opposed to 2 or missing or 1 and that type of thing. And so this is the language that should be used in your presentation, because then it becomes crystal clear as to what's taking place. And then down here, clearly addressed how the presentation would help young professionals view training in a more positive manner. So that might be just like a little offshoot. That's like a little message to me. Whereas all of this is the presentation, and this is addressing how your particular assignment does this. And then detailed understanding, supporting with more than 2 resources. Must have graphic images, no more than 2 spelling errors, and this is your APA piece. So if you have any questions on this, just let me know.